morning students. This video is for class 1 students and the subject is computer. Lesson number 2. Okay, when you open your book, computer book, lesson number 2, we are going to start today from chapter 2, page number 10. So open your book, page number 10. Okay, this is the second video. That's why I have written here part 2. In first video, I have already explained some of the portion of the same chapter. Okay, so I am going to give you the quick revision of that portion which I had completed or I have explained you in first video. In this chapter we are going to learn about the different works of computer, how you can become friend of your computer. So by using the computer, by doing different works, you can become a friend of your computer. So in first part of this video, first part of this chapter, I have told you that we can type letters. We can type letters with the help of computer. We can draw pictures with the help of computer. While doing the drawing in computer, there are so many options. First, pencil tool is there, eraser tool is there. Then there are so many colors, there are so many shapes. By using all those tools, which we can do the drawing. We have also discussed about that we can play music by using the computer. We can also play games with the help of computer. If you want to watch movies, then you can also do with the help of computer. If you want to solve the puzzles, then you can also do with the help of computer. If you want to watching television, so for that options are also there. So you can also use the computer for watching television. So these are the different works which we can do with the help of computer. Today in this part, I am going to explain you what are the works which we can do with the help of computer by using an internet. So I am going to write the topic of today's class, that is the works of computer. Works of computer by using an internet. Works of computer by using an internet. So today we are going to discuss this topic. First of all, if we talk about the internet, the first work which comes in our mind, that is we can browse the internet. We can browse the internet. We can browse the internet. So we can, if you want to search some options, search some problems, search some you want to search some something in the computer, then you can use it by using the internet. That is called the browsing of internet. The second one, we can send emails. We can send emails by using the computer. So first one is browse the internet. We can, second one, we can send emails. We can send emails. The next one which we can do, that is we can do the chatting. That means you can talk with your friends by using the computer if you have taken the internet connection. Number 4, what we can do with the help of computer? We can search the answers. We can search the answers by using an internet with the help of computer. If you want to download something, that means if you want to download some music, some games, some movies, then you can also do with the help of computer. So I am writing here downloading. We can download something with the help of computer by using an internet. Next one, what we can do? We can do online shopping. Online shopping. If you don't want to go outside for purchasing something, then you have an option. By using an internet, you can do the online shopping. There are Flipkart, Amazon, so many different online shopping options are there. You can use it and do the shopping. The next thing which we can do, we can also do the banking work, online banking. So banking work also we can do by sitting at home with the help of computer by using an internet. The next one is we can recharge our phones. So online recharge. Online recharge. We can recharge our phones or the televisions by using an internet with the help of computer. Nowadays, the most important thing which we are doing with the help of computer by using an internet, that is the online classes. So today, if you are learning something about the computer or learning something on the basis of your chapter, whatever is given in your books, then that is going on with the help of computer by using an internet. Your teachers are taking classes on internet and you try to take benefit from them. So this is the most important part of today's topic, that is the online classes. So different among all these works are so many all these works are important with the which we can do with the help of computer by using an internet. So among them online classes are also. This is the example which we are doing now. So this is the different options which I have explained. These options you have to learn, keep it in mind. So what are the works which we can do with the help of computer? First of all, again I am going to explain you about the works of computer which are related with an internet. First, that is, we can browse an internet. If you want to search something, then you can do it by browsing the internet. Next one, if you want to send some messages to your friends or relatives, that we can do by sending emails. Next one is chatting. You can talk with your friends or relatives, that is called chatting. We can do it by using the an internet with the help of computer. If you want to search some answers of some difficult questions, sometimes you find difficulties for finding the answers, that work you can also do with the help of computer by using an internet. If you want to download some kind of games, if you want to download some kind of musics, if you want to download some kind of movies, then that work also you can do with the help of computer. It comes under this topic, that is downloading. Next one is online shopping. If you don't want to go outside for purchasing something, that options are there. You can do it with the help of internet that is called online shopping. The next one is online banking. Banking is the most important work which you can do with the help of an internet. The next is online recharge. You can recharge your mobile phones, you can recharge your television with the help of computer by using an internet. The most important part, I have already told you, that online classes. Nowadays we are doing online classes. Teachers are taking classes. You are attending the classes on internet. So this is the most important part of today's topic which we are experiencing in today's hour, in our life nowadays. So these are the different words which you have to write in your copy. You just take out your computer copy, write there today's date, it is the 16th June 2020. Write the topic, it is the heading, works of computer by using an internet, and then start writing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So these are the different words which you have to write in your copy. So this is all about your chapter number 2. Just stay at home, stay safe. Thank you and have a nice day.